Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to cook a lamb gyro, or if you're from Adelaide, Australia, a Lamb Gyros. Cooking a lamb like this makes it tender and has a whole lot of flavour. This tastes amazing and it isn't hard to make. To start, you'll need to finely dice 3 cloves of garlic. Next, you'll need some fresh rosemary and some fresh thyme, roughly chopped. Next, you'll need 1 or 2 deboned lamb shoulders. There's a link to a video explaining how to debone a lamb shoulder in the description. Slice the lamb into strips and place into a large bowl. Add the garlic, rosemary and thyme to the lamb, then season with salt and pepper. Next, the juice of a whole lemon. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix the lamb through the seasoning, make sure it's fully coated. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of ground cumin. Mix together and place in the fridge for an hour to marinate. Skin a whole onion and push a metal skewer through the bottom. Push the base of the skewer in firmly, making a stand for your lamb. Hey, that rhymed. Push the skewer through the center of each slice of lamb and lay it on top of the onion. For every slice of lamb, make sure you place it the opposite to the last one. Once all the lamb has been stacked up, it's time for this to hit the barbecue. Light a chimney of charcoal. I'm using clean heat charcoal. Pour the charcoal on both sides of the barbecue, creating a channel. Place a foil tray between the charcoal. Sit the lamb in the center. Cover with a lid and cook for 2 hours or until the center reads 160 Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius. This is looking beautiful. All that's left to do is to slice it up. There you have it, a lamb gyro made at home. The lamb is still nice and tender as it's been basting itself in its own juices. Serve it up on a wrap with garlic sauce, lettuce and tomato. This is only a starting point, so try out any different flavors or spices that suit your taste. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.